Well, it is a dysregulation of those cellular communications. Now, in the brain, that looks like a seizure, and obviously as well, there are other areas of the body where this dysregulation can affect you, whether it be inflammation of the joints, inflammation of the gut, the development of cancers. This dysregulation is the fundamental theme amongst all of the diseases that we experience. And with regards to epilepsy, what this means is that the normal cellular signaling, the normal electrical function of those neurons is struggling and almost battling for control and to regain that homeostasis. And that's where we start to see seizures arise, and the manifestation of that biological frustration ultimately results in the symptoms that we see with epilepsy, the seizures, the struggles cognitively as a result of this dysregulation in the brain. And it's really a bit of an electrical storm in the brain. Your biology is struggling to rein that in and control that and effectively